Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, our radar picture getting a little active early, and I think this is just the beginning. Plenty of activity is coming our way. In South Georgia, we've had a little steady round of showers, especially for parts of Grady County and Thomas County. I see some right now in parts north of Thomasville up Highway 319. We're getting into Brooks County now, too, with some showers around Quitman and further north heading up towards the I-75 corridor into northern Lowndes County up near Hayhira. So we're seeing some of the showers move a little bit, and now getting out of Leon County into Jefferson County, especially along I-10, maybe around Lloyd over towards Monticello, with some more showers making a little bit more progress into parts of Taylor and Madison counties. So seeing a little bit of motion with these showers, and these are the beginnings. We've got one of those setups where things are going to be coming from south and west to north and east, and they're likely going to continue coming from south and west to north and east. 61 degrees in Thomasville this morning, 64s for Tallahassee and for Valdosta. The breeze kind of variable, but enough to stir things up where the fog isn't getting out of control. Most of our temperatures are in the 60s. I see a 57 in Dothan as the cool spot, 67 at Perry, and 68 in Cross City as the warm ones. Now, I think as we go through today, tonight, tomorrow, the winds are still mostly from the south. They'll start to change by Sunday. That'll start to bring in some drier and cooler air. And as far as those visibility numbers go, most are better than 4 or 5 miles. So we're not talking any kind of thick fog, but there can be some areas of patchy fog where we had some of the rain last night and where we're getting some of the rain this morning. You see all this out across the Gulf to our south and west. This is that conveyor belt that's going to continue bringing all that moisture across our area. Watch here on the Futurecast, a couple of different looks at it. First, we see the increase in clouds as we go through the morning towards the afternoon. I think by the afternoon, we go from showers to more steady rains, and then maybe we catch a couple of breaks at times, but I think things are going to stay pretty soggy well into the overnight and during the day tomorrow. Here's a little different look that's going to take us a little longer into the future. Same kind of thing where we've got plenty of showers becoming rains through the afternoon, and then as we go through the day tomorrow, it starts with more of that steady rain, and then watch here to our north as we get to the afternoon, this counterclockwise circulation. That's the energy, hopefully, finally getting through the area, maybe later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then we can start to bring in some cooler and drier air. So hopefully that's better news for Sunday, and maybe we can steal half the weekend. But right now, it's looking like indoor plans are the way to go. Periods of rain, breezy at times. We're talking south and southwest winds on the Gulf up to about 15, maybe 20 knots. It's 60s with about a 60% chance to get wet this morning. It'll probably still be 60s, maybe a few into the 70s this afternoon, but the rain chances are going to 90% and staying there for tonight and staying there for tomorrow. Notice how the temperatures change. I think in the 60s tomorrow, in the 50s on Sunday. We could wake up on Monday morning with temperatures in the 30s.